What's up, sim racers? It's Larry at TJRSim here, and today I wanted to share some carbon fiber goodies I got for the Darkhorse. I know this isn't sim related, but this is about cars and our passion for the hobby. All right, so I picked up some of this. I'll drop the name brand of this one in the description so I don't butcher the name. But I got this from cjponyparts. Really cool, all carbon fiber, real carbon fiber pieces. Very thin pieces so they don't protrude out of your install. In other words, they're not protruding so far out that it looks kind of fake. It looks more realistic. But I got the vents covered here. Really cool. Comes with a double-sided sticky tape basically. Already stuck on there for you. Just peel and stick. So several pieces. This is for the driver's side vents, passenger side vents, center console. Then you got for the shifter, around the shifter. Very nice. It's really high quality. I'm a sucker for carbon fiber. I love carbon fiber, but all real carbon fiber. And then we got the, of course, around the steering wheel I just showed. And this goes around where you have your turn on your lights and stuff at the bottom, and then of course the door trim itself on the side of the door. So anyway, I'll get this installed, show some pics of that. Thanks for watching. All right, just an example of what one of them looks like. You of course want to clean off your surfaces really well. Use some alcohol, clean off any greases and stuff that you may have on there with a rag. And then of course, test fit it on there to see if it fits correctly. Of course, that's what it's gonna look like in there, which is pretty shiny, but it molds perfectly around everything. I mean, you even have this little lip here, which is just like the lip there. I mean, of course, it's molded to be exact, but really clean look. I mean, you can already see like the stock gets a little bit scratched up and stuff, just with some keys or whatever. I don't even know how this happened, but this will of course cover that up and be a lot less scratch resistance with this coating on here as well with the carbon fiber. So very nice touch though, very exact fitting. Sets very flush. As you can see, it looks like it's a factory installed piece, which is very nice. Very nice. Okay, just giving you an example of the one of them installed. Of course, I'll do the center console, the edges, the doors, and then the other one as well. So, all right. Know what else these Sim Magic tweezers are good for? Lifting off this backing tape here. Get lifted up just a little bit. I can't see through my camera. Nice. Alrighty, we're completely installed here. We have all the carbon fiber bits put on. Looking sweet. Hope you enjoyed this look at the carbon fiber bits that I put on the Darkhorse. Maybe it'll inspire you to put some on your car. I will say that form, fit, and function is very good. Lots of stickers across the whole thing to keep it stuck down. Time will tell if it ever lifts back up, but it is true carbon fiber, and you can always add more sticky tape and re-stick it down. But I do like how on the steering wheel, for instance, it goes all the way down around the sides. There's another one out on the market too that actually covers up this whole piece, which is nice if you have it on your S650s that have chrome here and you maybe want it to be carbon fiber. But since the Darkhorse is black, it looks really good like that. So I liked this one, Accelatec. Anyway, check the description for the name, but I'll leave a link to it as well, to cjponyparts where I got them. Also American Muscle sells them as well. Theirs is called Accelatec. I believe it's the same brand because some of the boxes actually said Accelatec as well. But anyway, it's important to get one brand for all, that way all your weaves look the same. So whatever you majority want, like I definitely wanted these door panels, and not all brands offered the door panels. They would offer just like the insert but not the out. Well, I didn't really care about the insert as much. I wanted the whole out, so that has to match, you know, all the weaves from the rest. So, but I will note this actually lips up in there just nicely, and even wraps around. If we can get the camera back here, it just kind of wraps around this edge as well. It has a little bit of looseness there where it doesn't quite stick as well. You want to keep some pressure on it a little bit to help with that. I think putting it in the sun would help as well with it, but you definitely, I think in the beginning, be cautious with it, you know, maybe coming off or lifting up or anything like that. Today it's a little bit cooler day today to install, but I'm going to set the car out in the sun so it heats up this the stickies underneath it. But looks really good. Like I said, looks really good. I think it completes the look of this. If you're looking for something to spruce up the cabin of your Darkhorse, this is 2024 Mustang Darkhorse, and or your S650, it fits the same. This is a good brand to go with. So like I said, it's nice and important to get the same brand for all your carbon fiber weaves as much as you can, including the exterior as well. That way they all match and look the same, right? But yeah, it looks really good. Everything fit really well in here. When you install this one here, I would go from the left and then put it in. And then when you install this one here, push this in first. It'll spread apart a little bit across there, and then stick it down. Yeah, really nice. This one, of course, is kind of spreads out over the steering wheel and clips around it, and you just push it on down. So really nice. Now on the steering wheel, some brands, they have it where it'll cover this whole black lip if you like that. There's some on eBay. I can leave some links to those on eBay. Jogan is the brand that does those. I liked it. It looked okay, but it was too gaudy to me. It was like too much carbon fiber. I know, sounds silly, too much carbon fiber, right? But since this is black on the Darkhorse, it looks really good with the black emblem and stuff, so I wanted to keep that carrying through here and not cover it up with carbon fiber. I just wanted an accent of the carbon fiber. I like how the carbon fiber wraps all the way around. Underneath, everything just looks nice and clean. So, you know, yes, when you're sitting here, it looks nice to you, but as you're turning the wheel, driving, you'll see, you know, how it all looks. So it's a really nice steering wheel here on the Darkhorse, with the leather on top and the Alcantara that they put here in the center to where it doesn't get matted over time, because you're generally holding on this outside. So anyway, but yeah. Oh, and then this little piece here as well. This is a pretty inexpensive piece, like 42 bucks. I got all this on sale right now at CJPonys. But yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Hope it inspires you to do some cool stuff with your vehicle, whether it's the Darkhorse, Mustang, or whatever. Have fun. I'm out.